So apparently the Queen likes this, the Queen of England that is. This is Kedgeree, which is a Anglo-Indian British dish. Basically, I think the Brits nicked it from India and adapted it a bit, made it a little bit less spicy. But what we've got in there is, I'm using kippers today. You can use some haddock, some smoked fish. It's up to you what you want to use. It's rice, eggs, as you can see, a little bit of curry powder, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. Now, what I've done with that is I've only cooked it about 80–85% of the way, so it's still got a little bit of a bite to it, just a little tiny bite. 4 hard boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a couple of bay leaves there. Here I'm using some curry powder. That's a beautiful homemade curry powder. There's about a tablespoon there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green cardamom pods. 1 cup of onion. I'm using red, you could use white, no problem. And then here I'm using kippers today. So this is a smoked fish. If you want, you could use a raw haddock and then boil it in some water with some bay leaf and salt and things like that. You can even use tuna. You could use any flaked kind of smoked fish you want. It's up to you, but I'm going with these kippers today. There's 350 grams of that. Let's get moving. We're going to add a few more bits, but my brain can't handle it right now. Okay, so you're going to need a wok, a skillet, or something like that, a pan you can get moving with. In there I've got some oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and I've got about 3 tablespoons. If you want, you could start this with butter. We're on a medium heat. I've just put the heat on. We're going to drop in the cloves and the cardamom pods, the cumin seeds, and the bay. Now, if you wanted, you could get some cinnamon stick in here, a little bit of nutmeg. I mean, there's just so many ways of actually making this. To that now, I'm going to add 1 cup of onion. Medium heat. I'll be back in about 4 minutes or so. Okay, that's just like 4 minutes there. We're now going to go in with that garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. To that we're going to add our curry powder. And then we're going to add our rice. And like I say, this rice is about 80–85% done. Let's get some salt in the mix and some black pepper. And then we're going to toss this around for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful. So I think Kedgeree is a kind of British thing that we stole from India. I think the original one had lentils in it and not fish. And I think that we added fish as the Brits and probably took the chili out and things like that. So it's a kind of a Victorian-y type sort of dish, which apparently the Queen still really loves. Right, here we go. I've chopped up my kippers there. And again, what I'm going to do is we're just going to throw this around for about another 4 or so minutes. Keep it moving now. So some people will be putting sultanas or raisins in this. Some people will be adding milk or cream into this. So many versions of it. Off goes the heat. I'm going to add some cilantro or coriander. And what I really love in this is fresh mint. About the same, like a tablespoon chopped. Really delicious in there. And then I'm just going to give it a little squeeze of lemon here. And then we're ready to serve, where we're going to add a few other bits and of course our eggs. Great stuff. So there you go, look, I've just served that up. And I've cut my eggs in half and put them around the edge. Some people mix them in, in the mix as well. But yeah, like I say, loads and loads of ways of doing that. A few little tomatoes there, a little bit of colour. I hope you noticed that, the effort I made. And then I'm just going to go a little bit more lemon juice again. And then that's ready to serve. Delicious. I hope you enjoy that. See you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.